$10 billion. That's the amount Agriculture Minister Floyd Green says is needed to rebuild the sector following damage caused by Hurricane Beryl. Mr. Green says after getting more data from both farmers and fishers, the estimated value of damage has skyrocketed to over $6 billion.
So when I spoke in Parliament last week, Tuesday, we were looking at about $5.7 billion in damage to our agriculture and fisheries sector. Now, as I looked at the final figures before coming over here, we're now at about $6.5 billion in damage. And that is the loss to the sector. But rebuilding the sector would normally take about 1.5 times the cost of the loss. So we're looking at close to $10 billion that it will take to get us back to where we were before Hurricane Beryl hit us. So we do have a lot of work to be done.
Mr. Green was speaking at a Hurricane Beryl relief handover ceremony at Hypro on Thursday afternoon. Small poultry farmers were hit the hardest, and Hypro has distributed 140 birds to assist with recovery.